Do you sit too much? Do you have trouble standing up? If you do, you have sit-down syndrome. You need help. You need Fuzzy-Skippy-Loopy-Squishy. Just 35 doses a day will help you stand up. This is Dr. What's-Her-Face to tell us more about this pill.
We've been doing research for the last 4 years and have come to the conclusion that Americans spit too much. This pill is made of ingredients that we don't know, but you should take it anyways. It will help you stand. We can't stand sitting down, you know.
Just watch as Tracy takes Fuzzy-Skippy-Loopy-Squishy. Side effects may include hyperness, drowsiness, danciness, itching in the middle of your big toe, talking too fast to understand, insane laughter, dyslexia, and